शुक्रारा राज्य पावण्यार जागतीक चली दिसा निमतान जाल्ल्यो कार्यावळी ह्या सुवाळ्याक मुखेल सोयरी म्हण उत्तर गोंय जिल्लोधिकारी नीला मेहनन हजर आशिल्ली. बेटी बचाव बेटी पढाओ मुद्दो समाजात बरे रितीन रुजचो म्हण 11 तारखेर जावपी जागतीक चली दीस आठवडो भर पयलीं राज्यांत मनयला अशें ह्या वेळार उत्तर गोंय जिल्लोधिकारी नीला मेहनन सांगला. RDX गुवाहाटी पणजेच्यान संजय मुनोली.
Some preferences and discrimination against the girl child is almost universal in India and manifests itself in many ways, including sex selection. This practice has led to decline in the child-sex ratio in most parts of India. आमकां खबर आसा की भारतान प्रत्येक जोडप्याक किंवा प्रत्येक घराण्याक अशें दिसता की आपल्यागेर एक चलो आसचो. पूण ह्याच खातीर आमी खूबश्यो अश्यो नवीन नवीन ज्यो टेक्नॉलॉजी आयल्या म्हणजे अल्ट्रासाउंड आयला आनी खूबशे अशे यंत्रां आयल्या ज्याचो आमी दुरुपयोग करतात आनी हाका लागून सेक्स रेशोचेर खूबच वायट परिणाम जाला आनी अशें दिसून आयला की फाटल्या एक 15-20 वर्सां इंडियेचो म्हणजे भारताचो सेक्स रेशो कमी जायत चल्ला. So as we say, ironically, the major reason for declining sex ratio is the proliferation of modern technology and easy and affordable access to such technology with its rapidly expanding use for the purpose of sex selection, followed by elimination of the fetus if it is found to be a female.
आधुनिक भारत महिलाओं के लिए बहुत अवसर प्रदान करता है. ये भारत की प्रगति का एक पक्ष है. लेकिन दूसरी तरफ अगर हम लिंग अनुपात में गिरावट को देखते हैं, भारतीय समाज का अंधेरा पक्ष प्रकाश में आता है. जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने एक बार कहा था, आप देश की महिलाओं की स्थिति को देखकर राष्ट्र की स्थिति बता सकते हैं. ऐसे अनेक दिशाएं हैं जिनमें यदि मौका दिया जाए तो बेटियां क्या कुछ नहीं हासिल कर सकती हैं. भारत में महिला राजनीतिक नेता, अंतरिक्ष यात्री, एथलीट और लेखिका आदि हैं जो युवा महिलाओं के लिए आदर्श हैं. लेकिन सामाजिक असमानता और भेदभाव अभी भी कई महिलाओं को अपनी क्षमता को पूर्ण रूप से इस्तेमाल करने से रोकता है. लैंगिक समानता का सिद्धांत भारतीय संविधान, कानूनी व्यवस्था और सरकारी नीतियों में भी निहित है.
This occasion is really important for us because we are marking not just a celebration of one day of International Girl Child, which actually falls on the 11th of October, but we have deliberately preponed our celebration so that it kick-starts our week-long celebration for the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Daughters of New India program. The Ministry of Women and Child Development, Government of India has set forth a very elaborate schedule for the celebration of the International Girl Child Day as well as the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao week. There are responsibilities which have been taken up by the most important departments in this area: the Health Department, Women and Child Development Department, the Panchayat, as well as the Education Department, Sports and Youth Affairs, etc. In the days to come, in this 1 week, which will culminate on the 13th of October, we will see an entire range of activities, not just in Panjim, but also in all the Taluka headquarters and even right up to the PHC level. So this is going to be a collaborative team effort by all the important departments who are associated with this cause of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. The people who are present here today are the torch bearers of most of the initiatives that we intend to take up under Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. The scheme has been underway in North Goa district for the past 2 years. We are in the 3rd year now. And though we had a very slow start, predominantly because of the delayed receipt of funds from the central government, we picked up pace in the subsequent months. And in our meetings, we have had very extensive discussions with the stakeholder departments as well as the NGO partners. In each and every meeting which has been organized at the district level, one or the other important issue has been flagged And it has been very heartening to see that the departments, most of the departments, I would not say all, but most of the departments have been very proactive and have come forward in a big way to contribute towards the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao program.